Hello, I'm Anton Locker. Welcome to the second edition of the Wylie Tax Report. In the recent Supreme Court of Appeal case of Grundling versus the state, the taxpayer was criminally charged with contravening the then Section 59(1) of the Value-Added Tax Act. The court considered which factors should be taken into account when imposing a sentence for contravention of the Act. Section 59(1)(a), now repealed, refers to the fact that any person who with intent evades his or her obligations under the Act and who causes or makes a false return will be liable for criminal prosecution. In March 2010, Ms. Grundling and her then husband were arrested for submitting false returns. Ms. Grundling's husband subsequently took his own life before trial. Ms. Grundling was charged with 30 counts of contravening the Value-Added Tax Act. She pled guilty in the regional court and was charged to 10 years imprisonment, and the Asset Forfeiture Unit was ordered to attach 8 million in assets. On appeal to the High Court, her sentence was reduced to 8 years. In this case, the Supreme Court of Appeal held that to impose a non-custodial sentence would dilute the seriousness of the offence and disregard the impact of the actual loss of almost 19 million rand to the fiscus. A sterner sentence would thus reflect the seriousness of the crimes committed. The appeal court proposed a lighter sentence of 3 years imprisonment in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act. The appeal court took into account the mitigating factors included in the original pre-sentencing report and the Correctional Services report. In the opinion of the Supreme Court of Appeal, neither the regional court nor the High Court appropriately took these factors into account. The appeal court stated that the sentence imposed by both the regional court and the High Court was shockingly inappropriate, especially considering that the statutory sentence for contravening the VAT Act is 60 months imprisonment.